Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4755i or 4700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to copy document with this printer. Select copy, then you select the menu, special copy, enlarge or reduce, copy intensity, page size, then you select OK to select the size. A4 is selected, then you select OK. Media type, print quality. If you select media type, then you select OK. It will show you plain paper. Print quality, use right arrow or left arrow to select the quality. Select OK. Print quality standard. Then you select OK or you select high. Use left arrow button or right arrow button to select high or standard. So it's currently on standard. Then you select OK. Collage. Then you select OK. Collage is off. You can also switch it on or off. Collage is on. Then you select OK. Then put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the top. You will see arrow on the top left side. Close the cover. Then select this button to copy the document in black, or select this button to copy the document in color. Original on ADF. So select copy. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy two-sided, to reload the document with the area you already printed facing up on the paper tray. Then take the document to copy. You want to copy on the ADF. Then select copy. This is the document we copied two-sided. We copied using ADF. So if you go to select copy, then you select the menu, then it show you special copy, then it will show you two-sided copy. You select OK. So it's showing us now two-sided copy. Then put the document in the glass scanner, close the cover, then select copy. Remove the document and put the next document you want to scan. Then close the cover. Then select OK to scan next page. So it's scanning the next page. It will show you copying in color. So it's printing out the document. It's printing out the next page. This is the document we copied two-sided. So another way to copy the document is also smartphone copy. If you use smartphone copy, then you need to use the phone to capture the document, then send the document to the printer to print out. Then select smartphone copy. Then copy the document. Make sure you capture the whole document. It will show you the document. Then you select OK. Then it will show you for you to adjust the size. If you are happy with it, then you select Next. Then you select Next. Select OK. Original. Then you select Next. Then it gives you option for you to print out this document we captured. So monochrome color, one-sided. Then select A4. Then go back. Select the number of copies, A4. Then go back. Then select print. So you can use your phone to capture the document. Put the document on the flat surface. Use smartphone copy. Capture the image or the document and send the job to the printer to print it out. This is the document we captured with our phone camera. Then printing is complete. Then you select OK. So these are ways to copy documents from this printer. Thank you very much indeed.